The fully automated DTF workflow starts here. 7 Epson printheads work together, reaching speeds of up to 52 meters per hour. No manual handling needed. The film moves automatically to the cutter. DTF printing and intelligent contour cutting happen simultaneously. Precise, smooth, flawless every time. Next, the smart heat press carousel takes over. It automatically places the film, presses, peels, represses, and lifts the garment, all in one seamless process, minimizing manual work. From printing to cutting to heat transfer, the Sublister DTF workflow is fully automated, delivering higher productivity across the board.